fix them. What year is this thing?
2018.
2018.
Very low mileage.
Yukon Denali 6.2.
58,000 miles.
Squeaky, 58,000 miles. Squeaky noise. First he thought it was the brakes, except it squeaks when it's sitting at idle. So, what'd we find?
It's new style setup. The water pump's been relocated
LT1 style direct injected engine.
Coolant from the secondary battery box that's empty.
Empty coolant.
And then we go to take the belt off, and then we realize that the pulley,
Wait a minute.
pulley's about to fly off.
Damn, that's the water pump pulley. 58,000 miles. That's a good one.
Yeah,
that pulley again?
Hold on.
Holy mackerel.
Yeah, I'm surprised this thing
All right.
made
There's
it here.
some
Yeah.
GM quality for you right there.
Yeah. Starting to lose it. I think I lost my faith up in GM.
I lost them in 2007
Damn it.
when they made their Chevy trucks look like a fish.
Like a fish. That's never heard that one before. Like a fish.
They're the freaking ugliest things I ever saw. All right. Well, we can replace this guy. I don't know why some places want you to replace this whole water pump housing. I don't know why, when you can take this pulley or the bolts from behind it and just do the pump itself. So I don't know why
There are
everyone
holes.
recommends replacing the entire housing when you can just do the pump in like an hour. When they want
The
like
housing, they want 4.
they want 4 hours for the whole water pump housing with pump. It's kind of whatever. So we're doing a water pump. We're not gonna rape the customer. I fix them.